Imagine this. Sarah, a bright and bubbly 16-year-old, is excited about applying to her dream college. She's been working towards this goal for years, pouring her heart and soul into her studies and extracurricular activities. She's aced her exams, volunteered in her community, and even started a small online business. Her dedication and hard work have made her a standout candidate. Confident, she submits her applications, eagerly anticipating acceptance letters. She dreams of the day she'll step onto her dream campus, ready to embark on a new chapter of her life. But then, rejections start rolling in. Each email feels like a punch to the gut, shattering her dreams one by one. Confused and disheartened, Sarah digs deeper. She can't understand why her stellar record isn't enough. She discovers a series of embarrassing photos and comments from her past online activity, things she thought were long gone, resurfacing on social media. These posts, shared innocently years ago, now haunt her. These posts, shared innocently years ago, now paint a picture that contradicts her true self, jeopardizing her future. The carefree moments of her past are now casting a shadow over her aspirations. This scenario, unfortunately, is more common than you might think. Many teenagers face similar challenges, unaware of how their digital past can impact their future. In today's digital world, our online reputation is no longer separate from our real lives. Every post, every comment, every photo contributes to the narrative others see. It's intertwined, influencing everything from college admissions and job prospects to social connections and personal well-being. The digital world has become an extension of our real lives. Just like Sarah, we all leave a digital footprint with every post, comment, and share. These footprints can be lasting, shaping perceptions and opportunities. The question is, what kind of footprint are you leaving? Are you mindful of the digital legacy you're creating and how it might affect your future? Centuries ago, Niccolò Machiavelli, a renowned philosopher, wrote about the importance of reputation in his book, The Prince. Fast forward to today, and this principle remains as relevant as ever, especially in our hyper-connected world. Robert Greene, in his book The 48 Laws of Power, echoes this sentiment in Law #5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. This law emphasizes that reputation is a valuable asset, something to be cultivated and protected. In the digital age, this means being mindful of what we post online, how we interact with others, and the image we project. It's about understanding that our online actions have real-world consequences. While your online and offline reputations are intertwined, they have distinct nuances. Your offline reputation is built through face-to-face interactions, your behavior in school or at work, and your contributions to your community. It's about how people perceive you in the real world. On the other hand, your online reputation is crafted in the digital sphere. It's the image you project through social media profiles, online interactions, and any content you share or create. It's how people perceive you through the lens of the internet. The key takeaway? Both your online and offline reputations matter. They influence each other and shape how others perceive you. Just as you wouldn't want to show up late for an important meeting, you wouldn't want to post something inappropriate online that could damage your reputation. Every time you like a post, share an article, or comment on a friend's photo, you're leaving a digital footprint. This footprint, like breadcrumbs, can be traced back to you, painting a picture of who you are, what you believe in, and how you behave online. Think of it this way. Your digital footprint is like your permanent record in the digital world. Colleges, employers, and even potential romantic partners might look at your online presence to get a sense of who you are. So, how do you ensure you're leaving the right tracks? It's simple. Be mindful. Think before you post. Ask yourself, would I be comfortable with my grandmother seeing this? Would I want a future employer to associate me with this content? If the answer is no, it's best to hit the delete button, but it doesn't stop there. Engage in positive online activities. Share content that reflects your values and aspirations. Post about your volunteer work, your achievements, and things that inspire you. This way you build a positive online brand that can open doors for you in the future. Reflect on your past online behavior and learn from any mistakes. Seek advice from mentors or trusted adults on how to improve your digital presence. Celebrate the positive tracks you leave behind and be proud of your online identity. With mindful and positive actions, you can confidently navigate the digital world, leaving the right tracks behind. Section 5. Think before you post. A moment on the lips. A lifetime online. In today's digital age, our words can travel faster and further than ever before. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to fire off an angry tweet or post a sarcastic comment. Emotions can run high, and the urge to vent can be overwhelming. But remember, once something is online, it can be nearly impossible to completely erase. The digital footprint you leave behind can follow you for years, impacting your personal and professional life. Even if you delete it, screenshots can live on, potentially coming back to haunt you later. What you thought was a fleeting moment can become a permanent record. Before you hit that post button, take a moment to pause and reflect. Consider the long-term consequences of your words. Ask yourself, is this something I'd be comfortable saying to someone's face? Would I be proud of this post if it were to resurface years from now? Is this post true, fair, and kind? Does it contribute positively to the conversation, or does it spread negativity and harm? Would I be okay with this post representing me in the future? Your online presence is a reflection of who you are, both now and in the years to come. If the answer to any of these questions is no, it's best to reconsider. Taking a moment to think can save you from future regret. Remember, your words have power, both online and offline. Choose them wisely. The impact of your words can be far-reaching, so make sure they reflect the best version of yourself. Section 6. Curate your online persona. Building a brand of you. Just like companies build brands, you can curate your online persona to reflect your values, interests, and aspirations. Think about what you want to be known for online. Are you passionate about photography? Share your stunning shots, love to write, start a blog, or contribute to online publications? Your online presence is an opportunity to showcase your talents, share your passions, and connect with like-minded individuals. Use it wisely. Remember, building a positive online presence takes time and effort. Be authentic, engage with others respectfully, and focus on sharing content that aligns with your values and goals. Section 7. Dealing with the haters, navigating negativity and cyberbullying. Unfortunately, not everyone online is kind or respectful. You might encounter negativity, hate comments, or even cyberbullying. It's important to remember that you're not alone, and there are ways to deal with these situations effectively. If you're facing cyberbullying, document the incidents, block the bullies, and report them to the platform you're using. Don't engage with them directly, as this can often escalate the situation. Remember, your mental health and well-being are paramount. Don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted adult, like a parent, teacher, or counselor, if you're struggling to cope with online negativity. Section 8. The power of privacy settings. Your online kingdom, your rules. Social media platforms offer a range of privacy settings that allow you to control who sees your content, who can contact you, and how your information is shared. Take advantage of these settings to build a safe and positive online experience. Limit the visibility of your posts to friends and family. Be cautious about sharing personal information, and regularly review your privacy settings to ensure they align with your comfort level. Remember, your online space is your kingdom. You get to decide who enters, what they see, and how they interact with you. Section 9. Reputation IRL actions speak louder in the digital age. While your online reputation is important, your offline actions still hold immense weight. How you treat others, your work ethic, and your involvement in your community all contribute to your overall reputation. Be kind, respectful, and responsible in your offline interactions. Volunteer your time, pursue your passions, and strive to make a positive impact on the world around you. Remember, your actions speak volumes about your character. Make sure they're saying something positive. Section 10. Learning from the best teen influencers who nailed the reputation game. Many teen influencers have successfully built positive online reputations, leveraging their platforms to spread awareness, advocate for causes they believe in, and inspire others. Take inspiration from their journeys. For instance, Mari Copeny, also known as Little Miss Flint, used her platform to raise awareness about the water crisis in Flint, Michigan, garnering national attention and advocating for change. These young individuals demonstrate the power of using your online presence for good, building a reputation grounded in purpose and positivity. Section 11. Reputation. Your ticket to the future. Your reputation is a valuable asset, one that you build over time through your actions, words, and online presence. It's your ticket to future opportunities, relationships, and experiences. By being mindful of your online and offline behavior, you can cultivate a reputation that opens doors, fosters trust, and empowers you to make a positive impact on the world. Remember, your reputation is a reflection of your character. Make it a good one.